Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to test the door lock actuator. This one will be pretty much guys, any car will be demonstrating on a Mazda, so let me show you what we got here. This is the door lock actuator out of the car. What they have guys usually, okay, this is the metal piece that locks the car. Cables going in, one is the door handle cable that opens the door, one is the lock cable. And you have that mechanism on the bottom. There is a little bitty motor and a gear, okay, that turns that lever. And this is the lever that locks, okay, and unlocks the doors. So, sometimes the motor will burn, okay, or the gear will crack. And as a result, guys, okay, it will start skipping or it will not activate at all. We'll show you how to do that now. Every video, guys, every car that we get at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos. So, let us show you now how we are going to test it. We're going to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, we're gonna open the hood, doesn't matter what car it is, in most cases. Okay, and what do we need now guys? Most of the times you have on the actuator, on that actuator we'll have two wires. So, if you connect, okay, let me see how I'm going to connect those because they're very little. If you connect one to the positive, one to the negative, it's going to lock the door. And later if you switch the terminals, it's going to unlock them. Now I have to be extremely careful, okay, not to touch those. Because if I do, I can burn something. So you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to touch the wires in any way. So let's see if it's... if that will be possible or it will not be possible. Okay, so looks like guys, okay, I'm afraid that I'm going to touch it. So let me show you what I'm going to get. I'll get a voltmeter now. Okay, because sometimes those are really hard to reach. Okay, we have the voltmeter here. As you know guys, our videos are non-edited videos. Everything from start to finish guys, one whole video, so sometimes you will notice the whole process and that way we're not trying to hide anything from you guys. So, now, if we are extremely careful, okay, we'll be able to touch them. Okay, now, what do we need to do? Okay, we're going to go ahead and connect each of the alligator clips, okay, to the battery terminals. One negative, one positive. Now, see what's going to happen. Okay, when we touch one of the wires with one probe, the other one with the other one. Okay, now it unlocks it. Now let's switch them. Nope, it doesn't move. You can see the handle doesn't move. It tries, but something's wrong guys. So let's try again and see, but you can see that this door lock actuator is shut. Okay, it's trying to move, but it can't. So definitely guys, this one doesn't work. You can see the motor is too weak or something just not moving the way it's supposed to. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. Please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.